Hey there, it's Joel Capt here from Peakora. Thank you so much for your interest in having a strategy session with us. Now, your main goal is probably not to have a strategy session with us, but to understand what's going on in your business and exactly find out what are the next steps you need to take to bring your business to the next level. Now, that's exactly what we try to offer you here. So in a strategy session, you're going to get the chance to sit down with the real expert. Our experts are all people that have either successfully built up companies themselves in the past or have been directors at high growth startups such as Beekeeper, Frontify, Dropbox, or Tinder. Now, these are all people that basically have lived through what you are currently experiencing themselves already, so they can really help you. They know the future and can help you make it right from the very beginning. So in a strategy session, we're going to focus mainly on three things. First, understand your business and what's currently going on. Screen your business to identify all the known, but also the unknown challenges and pinpoint the top three of it. And third, get solutions from the experts on how exactly you can tackle those challenges. Now, that's pretty cool because today you don't know what you don't know. And that's very important because an example myself, I've been the head of growth at a high growth startup based here in Zurich called Beekeeper. It's a B2B SaaS, and we went from 3 to 20 million in ARR in a very short amount of time. Now, it's been a great startup. It still is today, but of course, same as other companies, we also made a lot of mistakes. And if you run with your business in the wrong direction for 3, 6, or even 9 months, that's very, very costly in terms of money you burn and time which is wasted. And that's exactly what you want to avoid, and that's what we're here for, to help you avoid this, okay? So what are the three main outcomes you're going to get from this strategy session? First, you're going to get out with a very clear understanding of the most important challenges you need to solve to reach next level. Second, you're going to get solutions from the expert on how exactly solve those challenges. And third, you're going to get a 3-step game plan that will get you results over the next 90 days. Now, you're probably asking yourself, hey, why are you offering this for free? Well, it's pretty simple because when we create game plans like this, then people often say, wow, that's amazing. Can you help us implement it? If that's you, yeah, absolutely. We can do that. We're really good at it. That's basically our daily work. And we take next steps from there. If not, totally cool, no problem. But you anyways going to have your 3-step game plan, which you can then execute on your own. But the only way to get this game plan, the strategy session, is to fill out the form below, book an introduction call with us. In the introduction call, we're going to have a quick chat, understand if and how we can best help you and who the best expert is, and then basically set you up for your strategy session. That's already it from my side. I hope to see you in one of the next calls. Thank you very much for listening in. Ciao zusammen, schönes Tagli, bye bye.